I'm Kareem Lawton, and my business partner is Pablo Resendez, and we are the owners of Campfire Grill Texas Kitchen. Campfire Grill opened in June of 2015 right here in Watauga, where we built a brand from scratch. Right, it was a dream of Pablo and I to serve other people, and we had both been working in restaurants for a very long time, for over 30 years between the two of us. And so we decided that we want to serve Texas food with different influences, whether it's the Gulf Coast influence, the Southern pride, and then the all-American, and bringing in even with some Mexican traditions of Texas to make Campfire Grill. My favorite part of working here at Campfire Grill is just the opportunity to see others enjoy a great meal. We are value-based, so you can come to Campfire Grill and eat a meal for almost less than McDonald's. But this is a home-cooked meal. It's really just my pleasure and my passion to see others enjoy something that we've made for them. I'll say that our most popular item is going to be our chicken fried steak and our chicken fried chicken. Now, one of my signature items is a hickory-smoked meatloaf. Take your meatloaf, and it's like brisket in the meatloaf. Have a little baby, all right? And we top it with a sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. That's one of my favorites. My other favorite is going to be the shrimp and catfish combo. You get 2 fillets of catfish, 4 jumbo shrimp, served with fries, coleslaw. That's a very popular item as well. Here at Campfire Grill, we have a giving wall. Our giving wall is a way of us paying it forward. We've been very blessed, and it's just an opportunity for us to bless others. All we ask is that you take your receipt, drop it in one of the boxes. In the box at the end of the month that has the most gross receipts, Campfire Grill will donate 10% of those receipts to the winning organization. The giving wall is my wife's idea. Before we opened Campfire Grill, she had seen on the internet a restaurant in Minnesota that was doing something similar. And so we decided that we would, it was a great way to pay it forward, and we would do the same at Campfire Grill. We are a Christ-based business, and we are very blessed, and we just want to bless others. We are closed each and every Sunday so that our employees can spend time with their families and at church. Our party room seats up to 40 people. You can book your room here at Campfire Grill with no room fee. All we ask is that your party spends $200. Our biggest challenge when we started was definitely building a brand from nothing. No one had heard of Campfire Grill. It was just an idea, and Pablo and I, it's in our heads. So we just had to build it from nothing. And now, if you go on Yelp or Google, you'll see we have 4.6 out of 5 stars. We just want to make sure that we serve great food to people each and every day, and make sure that they come back and enjoy the experience. Campfire Grill has our catering menu online at campfiregrilltx.com. You can visit us there. Also on Facebook, we're at Campfire Grill Texas Kitchen, and on IG, Campfire Grill Texas Kitchen as well. Find us on TikTok at Campfire Real, because we are real food for real people. We're open breakfast, lunch, and dinner Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. We're closed on Sundays. See y'all here soon. Thanks for watching.